What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be working on the s2000. I'm putting some new headers on that shit. So yeah, let me show you which one I got. So here they are. I got me some skunk2 fucking racing headers, man. Anyways, so yeah, I got these headers. I think they're like they're called skunk2 megapower. I think I got them for cheap. I don't know. I got them for 400. I think they go for like 7 something or 800 new. And these are not cracked or anything, or even scratched. Well, I mean, bad. They barely have any, like, a little bit of scratch right here, but that's it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm just gonna bring this 2000 over here next to this crappy Honda and put them on. So yeah, let me go grab that shit. It's fucking hot. Shit. Never mind, just do this shit another day. Fuck. So this is why I don't make that many videos sometimes, because in the summer it's fucking hot as fuck. In the winter it's cold and everything hurts. So I'm just gonna do this shit another day. So I'm just gonna cut from here. Just gonna time travel to the future to when I actually do this. It's a better day. So yeah, it's time travel right now. Did it work? Oh shit, we're in the future. Anyways, so the car is lifted. I do have a jack stand under it. I mean, yeah, I have one. It's just behind the jack. So I'm gonna start by disconnecting the headers and see if I can find where the O2 sensor is and see if I can take it off. So those motherfuckers are always hard to take off. Also, I got new wheels, if you guys can see. So let's see. Okay, I have to remove the heat shield first. Hopefully the new headers are gonna fit without having to take this shit off. I haven't done this, so I hope it's easy to do. So yeah, I'm gonna start with this. Okay, so just take this off so I can reach these bolts right there. And then we go on the car. And you get the other ones. There's like a couple more over here. You reach them through here. Then before you take the headers out, I will disconnect the O2 sensor, which is right there. And yeah, so that's what I'm doing next, the O2 sensor. Then I'm gonna try and take these headers, stuck headers out, see how hard they come up. Okay, so this is what I had to do to get this shit from the bottom. So I had to remove this heat shield for the AC, to remove that heat shield, so I can make more space around this part for it. Then to get it to the bottom, I had to lift it up all the way. Make sure you use jack stands again. So here's both of them. This seemed to be a little bit thicker than these ones. So these are heavier. So yeah, Let me see. Here's the stock headers, and then the skunk2. It's actually pretty good. They're almost like the same type of design. So yeah, I'm gonna reuse this, put it here, connect it. But first, I gotta get this shit in the car again. So since they're bigger, hopefully they fit. So I had to take this fucking engine mount out because it didn't fit through the bottom or the top. So now I'm gonna try it without that stupid mount thingy. So yeah. Okay, so I took the whole passenger side engine mount and the whole thing, but I'm still stuck, and I'm about to cry, man. I don't know what to do. I want to take out the whole thing. It's like this right here is what's hitting right there. So yeah, I'm gonna keep trying. Hopefully I don't have to take anything else out. So here's where I'm at. Notice, like, this is what I need to get through, and it's like it's just touching these two spots right here, over here, and then right here. But it's like once it makes it through here, like just this much, I should be clear, and I got space up here and over there. I already checked. But I pushed it and it won't go. So I got this guy right here. It's gonna hammer it a couple times. So hopefully it works. So yeah, it's the next day right now. I took out the bar that was across. Took this whole engine mount. I'm loosening up the driver's side. I'm holding the engine with the jack. I used the tire jack, put it in between here, and I pushed this that way. Push the engine that way, and it still wouldn't fit. But I put it in here, like it's barely in there, and I kind of just like moved it around, and it's just kind of sliding like a little bit. Then finally I made it through. So now I gotta put everything back. It's already there. So I'm gonna start with the engine mount, and then I'm gonna start it and see how it sounds, see if it's any different. So my exhaust setup is, I don't know what test pipe, but it looks just like a random pipe. Then the HKS catback. I cut off the back, what's it called, the resonator in the back, and I left the big middle one right there. I cut the big middle one before, but it sounded like too much rise, so I put that one back, and I took off the other one in the back, so it just has one resonator instead of the two ones they had. So yeah, you're gonna put the shit back to here. So I'm done. This shit barely fits. I only put one bolt in it, somewhere in there. So the headers are hiding in there. Put the O2 sensor, everything. I think I'm done. And for some reason I always end up with like hella bolts and shit, like extra. I'm guessing like 3 of these are for this. And I don't know, whatever. I guess I don't need them. So So yeah. Okay, the car is done. Now it's time for a cold start and a little test ride, see how it sounds, see the difference, or if it's the same shit. noticed was that you can hear VTEC a little bit louder when it pops. Like, you can hear it switching into VTEC pretty much. And downshifting, you can notice the little pops just a little bit more. But idle and everything seems pretty normal. Like cold start, it actually sounded quieter with the skunk2 headers than with the stock ones. But once you step on it in the higher RPM, it gets louder with the skunk2. So and there's no rise, so with the HKS catback test pipe, and skunk2 megapower headers. It's not that ricey actually. So there it is for the skunk2 headers. So yeah, bye.